Do you ever wish you could live like Beyoncé? We're pulling back the covering today to show you how one of the biggest stars in the world lives her glamorous life. We know everything about her, from her beautiful home to her amazing collection of cars. Hi there, welcome back to the show. You're in the right place if you like seeing what your favorite stars do in their free time. Today's movie gives you a better look at how Beyoncé lives in the year 2024. We're going to talk about how much she makes, where she lives, the car she drives, and a lot more. Let's begin. Segment 1, Income. Talk about Beyoncé's cool way of making money, which is just as cool as her singing. Not only with her music, but also with how much money she makes this year. She's really shining. Queen Bey makes money in a number of ways. She sells her music. Think of all the songs we love. There are also shows she puts on that are always full. People can't wait to see her live. Besides that, she works with big brands that want her to promote their goods because she's so well known. This may make you wonder, how much money does Beyoncé make from all of this? Well, the exact amount changes every year, but it's worth a lot of money. Every song she puts out, every show ticket she sells, and every endorsement deal she signs makes her a lot of money. That's how Beyoncé stays on top. Not only as a great singer, but also as a big star in the music business. Segment 2, House. Let's explore where Beyoncé lives. She has a gorgeous mansion in Los Angeles that's as glamorous as you'd expect. It features several spacious bedrooms, a modern kitchen with the latest gadgets, and fairy tale-like gardens. It's more than just a big house. It's a luxurious home that reflects her taste and style. Segment 3, Cars. Now let's roll into Beyoncé's garage, a showcase of luxury and high tech. She owns everything from a classic Rolls Royce to the eco-friendly Tesla. Each car reflects her taste for elegance and innovation. We'll take a closer look at her favorites, discussing what makes each one unique, from their sleek designs to their advanced features. Whether she's on family duty or heading to a gala, Beyoncé's cars are as impressive as her persona. Segment 4, Net Worth. Now let's talk numbers and see just how successful Beyoncé is financially. Wondering how much she's worth? As of 2024, Beyoncé's net worth is truly astonishing, and it just keeps growing. This isn't just because she sings and performs. Beyoncé is also a smart businesswoman who knows how to make and manage her money. From her music albums and world tours to her fashion line and investments in different companies, every project she touches seems to turn to gold. We'll go through how her earnings from these ventures have stacked up over the years, showing a clear picture of her increasing wealth. Segment 5, Family Life. Let's look at Beyoncé's life beyond the stage. She's not only a superstar, but also a devoted wife to Jay-Z and a loving mom to their 3 children. It's remarkable how she manages both her career and family life. In this segment, we'll share how she balances her demanding music career with her roles at home. From daily family routines to special moments together, Beyoncé keeps her home life rich and full. We'll see how she and Jay-Z support each other and make family their top priority, ensuring they stay close despite their busy schedule. Segment 6, Fashion and Brands. Beyoncé doesn't just sing, she sets fashion trends. She owns a clothing line and collaborates with top brands to create styles that everyone wants to wear. In this segment, we'll explore her impact on the fashion world. We'll highlight some of her iconic outfits and how they influence trends globally. We'll also look at her brand collaborations, where she's more than just a name. Beyoncé is deeply involved in the design process, ensuring her unique vision and style are evident. Segment 7, Philanthropy.
5 years after the devastating earthquake in Haiti, the superstar is helping raise money for the country's only children's hospital.
Beyoncé does more than just perform. She's committed to giving back. Despite a busy career, she finds time for important causes. She supports education through scholarships, aids in disaster relief efforts, and champions social issues. From funding educational opportunities to responding to crises and advocating for change, Beyoncé uses her influence to help others and inspire positive action. Segment 8, Public Appearances. Beyoncé shines not only on stage, but at any event she attends. From glamorous red carpets to important social events, she knows how to make an unforgettable entrance. Each appearance is carefully crafted to enhance her connection with fans and shape her image. Segment 9, recent projects. Beyoncé is always on the move, constantly bringing us something new and exciting. This year has been packed with creativity and innovation from her side. She's not just a singer, she's an all-around creative force. Let's take a closer look at what she's been up to lately. First up, her new music. Beyoncé has dropped some fresh tracks that have us all hitting repeat. Each song not only showcases her incredible vocal talent, but also her ability to evolve and experiment with new sounds and styles. Then there's her work behind the camera. Beyoncé directed a documentary that gives us a behind-the-scenes look at the making of an album. It's a rare glimpse into her creative process, showing us how much thought and effort she puts into her art. Segment 10, the future. What's next for Beyoncé? Everyone is eager to see her upcoming plans. Will there be a new world tour? With her history of dazzling shows, the next one is sure to be a hit. We'll discuss potential locations and what new twists she might introduce. Is there new music on the way? Beyoncé is constantly evolving, and there are whispers of a new album. We'll speculate on the themes she might explore and the possible collaborations that could excite her fans. Stay tuned as we explore the exciting possibilities for Beyoncé's future. Whatever comes next, it promises to be inspiring and groundbreaking. Conclusion. Wow! What a thrilling look at Beyoncé's life in 2024. It's clear she's a woman of many talents and passions. What part of her lifestyle impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.